All right, I want to show you the crypto swing trader strategy that I have. It's truly incredible, the moves that the cryptocurrencies are making, Bitcoin. And so I've been studying this market for a long time. Started watching it in 2011, started trading it some this year on a discretionary basis at Poloniex. And I found this plugin, this NinjaTrader plugin, that will allow you to plot Poloniex data. And I'll show you where you can get that in a minute. It's a group that I'm not affiliated with in any way, but they have a great plugin here for getting the data from Poloniex, which is cryptocurrency data. You can see a lot of the, let's see, Poloniex, you've got all those symbols. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Dash, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum Litecoin, NXT, Monero, Stellar, um, some of the others here, Zcash. And so what can you do? You see the price of Bitcoin is 82.50. One thing about this is a cash market, and you cannot get as much leverage in the cash market. You can get about 40% margin, or 2.5 times. You can margin 2.5 times your balance in the cryptos for margin on some brokers, and you cannot short this market. So what can you do? You can take long trades, and trading just one contract of the swing trade strategy, which is very similar to my VIX swing strategy. Um, Here are the results. This is going back 1 year. So um, taking long trades, 45 long trades in the past year on 5-minute charts for this swing strategy that buys pullbacks, and um, has a $400 stop loss, $500 profit target. We're not using any leverage here. We're just talking about trading one Bitcoin. You get $7,200 gain, which is greater than the gain, or actually right about the gain of a Bitcoin in the past year. In January, Bitcoin was around 1,000, and it's currently 82.50. So it's up about $7,200 since January, and this strategy is up 7,200. And the max drawdown on the closure rate basis is 1,600. And you see the analysis here. Here is the equity curve, and this is just going back 1 year. And so we've hit a sweet spot for the value of the stop loss um, since about May, where this is accelerating. And so it will need to be adjusted over time, as Bitcoin has been speculated that it could go to what, 100,000, 500,000, a million. Who knows? It could go down. It could have a 90% crash tomorrow, or 50% crash. And so volatility is for certain in this market. And so um, the I guess one of the potentially good news events is that it will be traded on the CME in mid-December, and so you could potentially trade this strategy. That trading it on the futures could be different. It may not be as profitable. The strategy may not work as well. The market may change once it hits the futures. But this is an automated strategy. It's actually, you cannot automate it in NinjaTrader because this is just a data feed plugin. It does not connect to the trading engine. So you'd have to, in this case, manually take the trades. You would see the signals on your NinjaTrader, for example, when it got long, and then you could set your profit target, and then you'd place it in your Poloniex.com account. And let me pull up Poloniex.com. I'm going to pause the video and pull that up. So here's Poloniex.com. You can create an account, you can deposit funds, and there is counterparty risk. And I've done a lot of discretionary trading with a very small account in this, and I've been watching this market, studying it. And in general, a lot of these markets are moving slowly higher. Bitcoin is moving higher, but some of these others are also moving higher. And one way you can trade this in, for example, Bitcoin. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can go down here. You can click on BTC Bitcoin, and then you go down here and you place an order to buy Bitcoin, and it'll let you buy a dollar amount. You don't have to have 82.60 to buy Bitcoin. So also you can use a program called Coinigy. I've used that a lot to chart this because Poloniex doesn't have very good charting. It's very hard to see. You can have indicators and order entry. You can connect Coinigy to your Poloniex account and trade your Poloniex account from Coinigy and create incredible charts. I've talked about that before. I'll put a link in this video. And lastly, for now, I'll have more information on this later. I've been studying this for a while. Told you to have more information. It's taken me a while. And so this is ninjatools.studio, and this is where I got the Poloniex NinjaTrader feed, which is just a data feed. You cannot automate, but you can get historical data to do your research in NinjaTrader and Bitfinex. The cryptocurrencies are on many different exchanges, and they're cash exchanges, and sometimes there are divergences and differences in prices, and there's a lot to know. But that's all I'm gonna talk about in this video because I need to make a quick video. Um, and this is where we're at in the cryptocurrencies. I like the opportunity here. As you know, I've updated the futures portfolios this weekend and been working on that and updating everyone on that. And I wanted to look at also opportunities to trade the Bitcoin futures when they hit in mid-December, less than a month away. And this is what I have for now. Crypto swing, similar to VIX swing. I also have another strategy similar to SR counter trend gold. SR counter trend gold strategy, when I hold it overnight, it does well in the Bitcoin, so I'll have more information on that as well. And lots of potential opportunities to get some to trade markets that move better than the futures markets have been moving lately. So that's the update that I want to share with you today. Let me know if you have any questions. You can actually get the open code for NinjaTrader for this strategy below this video.